Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I am here with another video. In today's video, I am going to explore function of axle oil temperature sensor. What does it do and why is it so important? So let's find out. First things first. What exactly is axle oil temperature sensor? This is small but a vital component monitors the temperature of the oils in axle assemblies of the loader. All axle oil temperatures plays the same role in all the loaders of all the models. But today I'm going to talk about particularly L220H series loader. It provides crucial information to the loader's control system, ensuring that the oil remains within the optimal temperature range during operation. So viewers, now we will talk about why monitoring the axle oil temperature is so important. Here are several reasons. Number one, preventing lubrication failure. If the oil gets too hot, its lubrication properties can degrade, leading to increased wear and potentially severe axle damage. Number two, enhancing performance. Maintaining the oil temperature within a specific range helps the loader performance efficiently, ensuring maximum productivity. Number three reason, prolonging equipment life. By preventing overheating, you extend the life of both the axle and the oil, saving you from costly repairs down the line. So these are the reasons we monitor the axle oil temperature. So how does this sensor work? It typically uses the thermocouples or thermistor to monitor the oil temperature, and that temperature data sends to the loader's electronic control units. If the temperature exceeds the safe limits, then it triggers the warning or alerts the operator. So you watch this video which I have made specially show you where the axle oil temperature sensor is located. As you can see, this is an L220H loader, and we have removed a rear axle from this loader. And as you know, whatever I work, I must share with you people, so give you some information. So today I'm going to the information about this axle which we have removed. Okay, so we have removed the rear axle. Okay, this front axle is there and this rear axle we have removed, and you can see this harness. Okay, so I removed this harness. So this connector is a rear axle oil temperature sensor. Okay, so I will go to the axle where we put that one, and I will show you where this sensor is installed. And so as you can see, here is the axle, rear axle we have removed, and you can see this part was broken, and we ordered that part was still come, then we fix that part, and then this axle will be ready to fix back. So this one is our rear axle. Main point which I want, this one is a sensor. Okay, you can see this sensor, this is the axle oil temperature sensor. Okay, this one, you see this is oil temperature. So no oil. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you not miss upcoming videos.